Okay. I'm back. And y'all know, I'm not going to eat these then. So now just pop them out. Good morning. Well, it's kind of like good afternoon. But hello, guys. Y'all know I make my sandwiches. I should eat like my son Father was eating it. Mm. Should I do the one bite challenge? Right? But I need some ideas on what I could eat on the one bite challenge. Y'all hear me? And it's kind of like not one bite, like you got to put it in your mouth. Everything got to fit in your mouth. So I want to say, I'm at the point in my life, right? But I don't really care what people got to say about me. I'm getting comments like, in text messages like, Cinda, you always posting on YouTube. You always posting on IG. Baby, you ain't helping finance me nor my son. Say that with me. So if I can post on YouTube, right, and try to make some income for myself, and I have to worry about asking nobody to watch my son, guess what? I'm all for it. And you know, everybody like, oh, you shouldn't be that way. You shouldn't be that way. Y'all know how hard it is right now that it's issues going on with the car and whatnot. And I need to be at work. I'm watching a soap opera on my left. Right? So don't knock nobody if they're trying to do their own hustle. Right? Don't knock nobody. Shoot. I'm like, I'm on the phone with my sister. I said I want everybody to have a YouTube channel. Hold up. But yeah, I'm on the phone with my sister. I'm like, I want everybody to have a YouTube channel. She like, but everybody not into YouTube. If people can post themselves, not even being on, like post videos and them not even being on YouTube, like on the video, why can't you do it? I'm posting because if you can do it, why can't I do it? You feel me? Kiss rocks if you don't like me. But for everybody who's supporting me and want me to do more videos right now, and I just be asking everybody, if you can, hit that girl with a cash app. Whatever you can afford. $1, $5, $10. Because I want to make more content. More content. More content. The more content you make, the more income you get. Okay? And you know, like everybody like, oh, well, you only post cornstarch videos. Y'all go back to my first video, it wasn't a cornstarch video. My channel was never supposed to be about cornstarch. It's just something that you guys like, and that's something that I eat. So, I don't know if I want to do a paint night or a seafood night. Which one do you think I should do? Paint night or seafood night? Yo, I would never thought that I've been on YouTube posting with my tooth out, y'all. I swear. Never did I think that I would be on YouTube posting my tooth out. But thank God for self-love and being okay with me. I was married. I was with my ex-wife for 8 or 9 years all together. My ex-wife never seen me with my teeth out. And she never seen me with my tooth out because a part of me, was ashamed of it. I mean, I still don't like that the tooth is missing, and I blame my father because at the end of the day, like, I had the money to get my tooth fixed, but my father spent it or whatever. But like, now that I post on YouTube, I'm looking like anything is possible when you post on social media. You can be a real small creator and you can make big things happen. Say to me, you can be a real small creator and you can make big things happen. Ew. Ew. So I'm gonna believe that I can do what it is that I want to do. And what I want to do is I want to be able to make content, get paid for it, and be able to live a life in which I've never been able to live. You feel me? I want to be able to be like, Casey, come on, we going to Florida. Casey, come on, we going to Mexico. Something like that. All right? But like right now, I can't do that. One, I'm not working. Two, I don't have a car, and I hate asking people for stuff. So yeah. I just need to start sharing my GoFundMe because yeah. But what else? They had a nice day outside, so I'm gonna take Casey to the playground, right? I'm gonna let him play around for a little bit. And guess what? I'm recorded. Why? Everything that you do is content. I don't know, right? When I with my brother, my sisters and brothers or whatever, right? They're like, you always recording. You always recording. You always recording. You always recording. Because I'm always trying to make this money. Always. And if you ain't trying to make this money, honey, we can't hang out. Say it again. What you doing? Making content. Why? Because I'm trying to get out the hood. I don't want to have to make GoFundMes or ask for a handout. Because Lord Jesus, I feel so bad asking for a handout. I feel bad that I had to make a GoFundMe. Right? And I'm like, here it is. I got like 10,000 followers everywhere. If I add all of them up. Right? It's 10,000. I was like, if everybody just go on my Cash App, on my GoFundMe and send me $1. Right? But then, here it is. People like, we got these naysayers like, because she always begging. She always begging. But you asking me for something too, right? It's like a give and take relationship. That's how I look at YouTube, right? It's a give and take relationship. Y'all want a seafood boil? Cash at me $5. Seafood ain't free, right? Y'all want some cornstarch? Like a lot of people like, oh, I want you to eat some chunks. I want you to eat some chunks. Other than keto, hold up, I'm spitting. Other than keto, no one has ever sent me anything. Okay? And while cornstarch videos do get me views, cornstarch videos ain't getting me paid. Say what? Cornstarch video is cool for fun or whatever, but my life videos should be better. Why? Because it's me. Right? It's me being myself, not being fake or phony, trying to be in competition with nobody else. Like, I hate that everybody like, oh, this person do this, and this person do this, and this person do that. What's my name, y'all? I cannot be in competition with Susie, Becky, Tommy, none of them. Because I'm only me. Right? People like, but most people like Chunks. Baby, Chunks is something that most people who eat cornstarch can't make it. It takes too long. Right? Or if you buy it from somebody else, you don't know what they're doing in their kitchen. And you're trying to get the whole thing to be whole when you get it. But by the time you get it being, delivered to you or whatever, it's powder again. So, this video is to encourage everybody to make a YouTube channel. Right? Encourage everybody to make a YouTube channel and not try to be like everybody else, but to be yourself. Everybody like a struggle story. Everybody like a growth story. You know? Don't come in here and think that you're going to be the best, right? And you ain't got no money, right? Because everybody like, oh my God, you should have a camera right now. Technically, I have a camera. I just don't like to use it. Right? Don't go and go buy a camera. Me, I spend so much money with trying to make YouTube videos. And most of the stuff that I bought, I never use it. Right? I got tie-dye right here. What else right here? I don't know. I got cake mix. I got like 8 cake mix that all went bad because I never made the cake mix. So for me, encouraging you guys to do videos, I want to say, don't go out here and go buy nothing that you're not going to go buy or use in your regular life. Right? You eat Sulfur seeds. People like watching people eat Sulfur seeds. Get your bag of Sulfur seeds and eat them. You paint. Get your paint. Record yourself doing it. You sing. Practice singing. Record yourself. Because you never know what's going to be your big break. Alright? I'm not moving. I am going to exit off this video. Alright? I'm going to say thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. In my comments, put some video ideas that you guys have. Alright? But just like that, I'm out. Good night.